In the world of adventure photography and videography, capturing those breathtaking moments in impeccable detail is paramount. Whether it's scaling the highest peaks, diving into the depths of the ocean, or anything in between, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro promises to be your go-to companion. Today, we're going to dissect everything about this gadget, from its stellar features to performance metrics, and pit it against its closest competitors to see how it fares in the highly competitive action camera space. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro leaps onto the scene with a robust build and a suite of features that aim to entice both professional videographers and adventure enthusiasts alike. Right off the bat, its unique selling point is the Rocksteady 2.0 stabilization technology, which promises buttery smooth footage that can rival even the bumpiest of adventures. Coupled with Horizon Steady, the camera ensures that your videos stay level, no matter how extreme your movements are, providing a gimbal-like steadiness without the actual need for one. Diving into the technical specifics, the camera boasts a 1.7-inch sensor capable of capturing stunning 4K video at 60 FPS and can go up to 240 FPS at 1080p for those epic slow-motion shots. The color accuracy and dynamic range are exceptionally good for an action camera, thanks in part to its de-cine-alike mode, which offers a wider color gamut for those who like to grade their footage in post-production. A notable feature that sets the Osmo Action 5 Pro apart from its predecessors and some of its competitors is the dual-screen design. The front-facing color touchscreen is a boon for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts, providing real-time feedback and framing without the need for external accessories. The rear screen, larger and more responsive than before, makes navigating through menus a breeze and reviewing footage on the go feasible. For the underwater adventurers, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro shines with its waterproof design, capable of reaching depths of up to 16 meters without a housing and up to 60 meters with the additional dive case. This depth capability places it well above many of its competitors, offering more versatility for divers and snorkelers. Battery life is another critical factor in the usability and appeal of an action camera. The Osmo Action 5 Pro offers a decent battery life that can last up to 2.5 hours of continuous 4K recording, thanks to its large 1300 mAh battery. While this is commendable, actual usage time can decrease significantly with more intensive settings engaged, such as higher frame rates or stabilization. However, the inclusion of fast charging means you can get back to shooting in no time. When it comes to cons, no product is without its flaws. One of the drawbacks of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is the overheating issue when recording in high-resolution settings for extended periods. This isn't uncommon in high-performance cameras, but can be a limitation for those looking to use it in hot climates or for longer takes. Another potential downside is the proprietary mounting system, which, while robust, limits compatibility with third-party accessories without adapters. Comparing the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro to its closest rivals, such as the GoPro Hero 10 Black and the Insta360 One R, is pivotal in understanding its market position. The GoPro Hero 10 Black, a benchmark in the action camera realm, also offers hypersmooth stabilization, 5.3K resolution, and a similar waterproof depth without the case. However, the Osmo Action 5 Pro edges ahead with its slightly better stabilization tech, dual screens, and color accuracy. The Insta360 One R, known for its modular design, offers unique features like 360-degree capture, but falls short in conventional video performance and ease of use compared to the Osmo Action 5 Pro. So who should consider the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro? If you're a content creator, vlogger, or adventure enthusiast seeking near-professional video quality without the bulk and complexity of traditional cameras, this could be the perfect fit. Its robust design, commendable stabilization, and depth capability make it a versatile choice for almost any extreme condition or setting. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro packs a punch in the crowded action camera market, with features and performance that cater to a broad audience. While it does have its drawbacks, such as the overheating issue and the proprietary mounting system, its strengths in video quality, stabilization, and usability offer compelling reasons to consider it over its competitors. Whether you're diving into the deep blue, scaling mountains, or capturing life's moments at a breakneck pace, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is a worthy companion on your adventures. Based on my immersive experience and thorough testing, I recommend the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro for anyone looking to elevate their adventure and action videography. Just be mindful of its limitations and consider how they might impact your specific needs. With any tech purchase, balancing the pros and cons against your personal criteria and usage scenarios will guide you to the right choice.